To the video. Um, guess what I found? Bee Swarm Simulator. Now, this is a very cool game by the picture. I really do think that this is gonna be a cool game. There's literally a map behind it, a big one. I see a big one, but yeah. I was bored, but this is behind the story. Before, right now, I just made this video recording. So I just bored of Roblox, so I want to type something. So I just type B, Bumblebee. Just a normal Bumblebee, just Bumblebee with capital B. And then on top, this loads up Bee Swarm Simulator. And I go literally straight to YouTube. And I put Bee Swarm Simulator, Bee Swarm Simulator. And I type it in so fast. And then I put search, and they got their own, and all I see is games and stuff. And I was like, and then when I scroll down, they got someone's reviewing their toy set, and they got their own Bumblebee action figures. And I'm like, no, I can't spoil. No way, I can't just spoil this. No, I want to have my own experience. I don't want to see these Bumblebees, what they look like. So I blurred those, those bumblebees on your right. You can't see them. You can see them, but I can't, cause I don't wanna. I don't wanna I wanna see the first bumblebee. So it says hatch bees, collect pollen, make honey. Exactly what bumblebees do. So let's see the description. Robo Bear. Compare in a roguelike style minigame in which you complete rounds of time quests, fight robotic enemies, unlock bees. That's cool. And purchase upgrades, award cog amulets and drives. What's that? There's will be new bee. Okay. So yeah. Let's get in. Wait. I want to see this. Passes on gear. 2 pollen, bear pollen. Oh, bear's pea, bear bee. That's the only one species I know. And honeyman. Okay, get in the we gotta play this. Yeah. Why am I freaking out? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, anyways. Don't mind that. So made by unit. Okay, so we load again. That's a very nice logo right there. That's very, very music-like. It's very, I don't know, like DJ-like. DJ-like. It's very DJ-like. And Unit is basically sponsored. When did they do that? When did they did that? They sponsor creators, good games. That's good. So he's sponsored. So there's a good game in Roblox. They like, is he? Can he choose? I don't know. Wait, what do I hear? I hear money. I hear rocket launch. Okay, I see a loading screen. I see a scooper. Is that for honey or money? No, it's for money. So honey is money for bees. Okay, that makes sense. Duh. It's like dollars. Imagine a normal flower that has literally dollars sticking out of it. And you have to collect the dollars. That's literally like that. I hear walking. That's all I hear. Hello? I'm so sorry, guys. I keep on hearing money. Is this supposed to take this long, guys? Or not? Bob the Builder is here. That's nice. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to I had to leave because the loading actually took very long. So yeah. Come on. I heard money. I heard weird spider steps. And I heard rocket launch. A rocket like boom. I don't know what that is. Probably I heard a thing. I heard like a cannon launch. I'm not sure. It's like a boom and it was very loud. And I heard money, a lot of money, like ching 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 ching. I don't even know what that is. Is that honey? I think it is. I think that money is honey. Because I keep on hearing the money sounds, the original money sound from Roblox. So yeah. Why is this taking very long? Hey guys, I finally joined in. Oh. So tutorial, welcome to Bee Swarm Simulator. In this game. You collect pollen from flowers and make honey. Step 1. But you don't do it alone. That's nice. Whoa, look at those bumblebees. You're the leader of your own personal swarm. What? Damn, is that the creator? Damn. He's probably the first person to play the game. You own your own personal swarm of bees. Tutorial, claiming your hive. Okay, so to hatch bees, walk up to an unclaimed honeycomb and press claim hive. Hatching eggs, open the egg menu, then click and drag an egg onto one of the honeycomb cells. Hatching, open the egg menu, then click and drag an egg onto one of the honeycombs. Once you have your bees, walk into a flower field. Tutorial, collecting pollen. Click or hold the mouse button down to collect pollen. Your bees will automatically collect pollen from nearby. Okay, so I'm gonna read this all. Guys, I got this. I went into the shop and I bought this jar that can hold 750. What's that? What is that? 4,000. I don't know what that is. Mondo chicken. Mondo chick. What's that? Has spawned. A mood sprout has appeared. Is that thing? That gold is wait. You know that emoji looks very familiar to that 4,499 thingy sprout. I don't know what that is. Is that what it is? Is this a? Oh yeah, this is a dandelion field. So that one has 200 and oh. Can I collect you? Do we get honey? Oh, it's going down. What does that mean? I want to see. I really want to see. I can't do this because this is very long and my jar can't contain that much. Sorry. Guys, this is gonna be like a long series. You know? Like a lot of videos is gonna be in this series, guys. Okay, our thingy is almost full. So yeah. Guys, I wanna sponsor I wanna sponsor WWSR and Gaming with Rock because I'm making a sponsor. So when you comment on my videos, if you put a nice comment and if you say like a comment
a good comment in my videos underneath the comment chat, I will sponsor you for in 2 videos. I'm gonna sponsor your name in 2 videos. So WSSR, you got your name. I'm gonna say your name again in the next video, so more people can see. Okay, so we're collecting some honey. Bop, 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 la, la, la. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we got 100 and 700. Come on, let's go. I want to explore. So we got the shop there. That's a cool bee. That's a cool deer bee. Wait, guys, you see that? You see that? You know that jelly? It looks like a jelly bar. It looks like a jelly bar. I don't know what it is though. And there's a ticket. Oh, I want to get there, but there's some parkour. It's like a jelly jar. It looks like a jelly jar. Is it like jelly? It's in a jelly jar though. So it probably is jelly, because who stores anything that's not jelly in a jelly jar? Oh god, we got an enemy. Oh, why is he attacking? Yeah, kill him, attack him. Yay, good job, good job. Okay, so I got honey. That looks like honey. Yeah, it's honey. Give me honey and we get strawberry. Is he a strawberry? Honey, no, collect the honey. Don't leave honey. I like the honey. I got a snowflake. Sorry guys for the lag. I'm very new to this game. My internet is like very bad, so I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. I feel bad for you. Guys, if it's laggy, then you guys can leave, because my videos are normally laggy, and yeah, I can't do anything about it. I'm so sorry guys. I'm so sorry. What's this? You found a royal jelly. What's that? What's a royal jelly? What are the... Oh, wait a minute. Egg and items. So we got 2 snowflakes, glitter, royal jelly. Transforms a bee into a random, rare, epic, or legend bee. A legendary... Already, I want to get epic. I want to get rare. I want to get a rare. I want to buy an egg. I need to buy an egg though. What was that? Is that glitter? What was that? What was that? It's snowing. I mean, it's raining. Hasty bee of energy is going to sleep. Wait, my bumblebee is going to sleep? Oh yeah. But it says in the instructions. Whoa! What's this? What's going on? What are they? What's this? Hello? What's this? I really want honey. I want honey. And the honey's going away. Collect the honey. We didn't get a lot, unfortunately, because they're very slow. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, is that an egg machine? It's like a bubblegum machine, like those gumball machines. It looks like an egg vending machine. Open shop. Buy for 100 honey. An ordinary bee egg usually hatches into a basic bee. I want to see this. I want to buy 2. I want to buy 2 for the royal jelly. So it's 4,000 and 4,250 honey now. Wow, nice. So my bee likes running, huh? Likes me running. So if I press on in his of his run emoji thingy, I get like fast. I'm so sorry guys, this is so laggy. So one basic bee, I buy those. Okay, so we are gonna go. So we got 2 basic. Place. Where? Guys, is that normal? I wanted a basic bee. What's going on? What is going on? Why am I getting all of these bees? Can I get a basic bee? Yay, we got a basic bee. Is that normal or does that normally happen? Because I wanted a basic bee. Well, I don't want to keep this red guy. I don't know. I want to see what I get next. Transform rat bee. By a bumblebee. Wait. Oh, this is something else. That's nice. Let's go into the bees. Common bees, rare bees. This crafty bee makes bombs which collect pollen from all nearby. Okay, that's okay. If it can do that, then we can like. Guys, if there's like hidden areas, can you guys tell me? Cause you know that shop area, I have to show you guys. How do I get up there? I need to show you guys something. I really need help. I really need help to find. I want to get that royal jelly. You see that royal jelly up there in that thing? In that rooftop? I don't even know if you guys can barely see. Can we like climb this or something? You see that over there, guys? You see that red thing? You see that royal jelly up there? Like right there? I need that royal jelly, guys. It's up there, but I don't know how to get up there. Noob Bear, can you help me get up there? Or do you have anything to talk? Oh, you just stay quiet. Okay. Well, no one's gonna help us in this game, I guess. I'm gonna try to tell. How do I get royal jelly? I'm gonna put how do I get the royal jelly in the shop, in the green shop? By the Christmas tree. This tree. Christmas tree. Please help. I'm new. So I put, how do I get royal jelly in the green shop by the Christmas tree? Please help. I'm new. Guys, if you guys can help me, you can do that a lot, but if you guys are good at the game and you're like not new and you know it a lot, please tell, because I really need that royal jelly. But yeah, please help. Guys, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm so sorry about the lag though. This normally doesn't happen. But if you guys know this game a lot and you like play it every day and you're not new, can you please tell me how to get that royal jelly? Because I really need to get it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.